Good morning, class. Today we are going to start our new topic, that is four-sided figures. Learning objectives. At the end of this lesson, you students will be able to identify and state the properties of parallelogram, rhombus, and trapezium. Here is textbook page 251, students. You can see in the figure A, B, C, D is a figure given to you. It has four sides. Measure the length of each side. You will came to know that AB is equals to 5 centimeter, DC is also equals to 5 centimeter, AD is equals to 3 centimeter, and this side BC is equals to 3 centimeter. Check if the two pairs of opposite sides are parallel using a ruler and a set square, and you are supposed to check whether these two opposite sides are parallel to each other or not. Okay, after measuring, we will come to know that AD is parallel to BC. You can see AD is very parallel to BC. Similarly, AB is parallel to DC. It means that opposite sides are parallel in this figure. Figure ABCD is a parallelogram. Hence, after that, we will conclude that this figure is a parallelogram. A parallelogram has four sides, as we have read right now. The opposite sides are parallel and equal in length, and its opposite side, you can see AD is parallel to BC and it is equal in length as well. Similarly, AB is parallel to DC, and both these lines are parallel to each other as well, and their length is equal to each other as well. We draw the short lines crossing the sides to show that the opposite sides are equal in length, and you can see short lines has been shown to reveal, to show that the opposite sides are equal in length, and arrows along the sides to show that opposite sides are parallel. Arrows are recognizing that they are parallel, and the equal short lines are showing that they are equal in length. Here is textbook page 252, students. Look at the figure PQRS. Here is a figure PQRS. This figure is also having four sides. Measure the length of each side. You will came to know that PQ is equals to 4 centimeter. This PQ is equals to 4 centimeter. And this QR is equals to 4 centimeter. This RS is equals to 4 centimeter, and SP, hence each and every side of this figure is equals to 4 centimeter. Check if the two pairs of opposite sides are parallel using a ruler and a set square. You have to check whether the opposite sides are parallel or not. After measuring, we will came to know that PS is parallel to QR and PQ is parallel to SR. The figure PQRS is a rhombus. Now, because each and every side is equal, so we will consider this figure to be the rhombus. A rhombus has four sides. All the sides are equal. The two pairs of opposite sides are parallel. All the sides are equal. It has four sides, and two pair of opposite sides are parallel. Two pair. You can see PS is parallel to QR and PQ is parallel to SR. Two sides of opposite sides are parallel. A rhombus is a special kind of parallelogram whose four sides are equal. Here is textbook page 253, students. Look at the figure KLMN is a figure. Again, a four-sided figure is given to you, students. Measure the length of each side. You will came to know that KL is equals to 3 centimeter, LM is equals to 3 centimeter, and M is equals to this long lengthened line is equals to 5 centimeter, and KN is equals to 2.5 centimeter. Check if the two pairs of opposite sides are parallel using a ruler and a set square. Now again you have to check whether the two sides are parallel to each other or not. After measuring, we will came to know that KL is parallel to this line. KL is parallel to NM, but KN is not parallel to LM. KN is not parallel to LM, as it is very obvious that KN is not parallel to LM. Figure KLMN is a trapezium. So such kind of figure is considered to be trapezium. A trapezium has four sides. Only one pair of opposite sides are parallel. So students, what we have concluded about trapezium, a trapezium is also a four-sided figure, but only one pair of opposite sides are parallel. A trapezium has only one pair of parallel sides. You have to remember this very carefully. Okay, students, here is textbook page 255, identifying four-sided figures. Here is question number 1. ABCD is a parallelogram. Here are some questions. You have to answer these questions. The first question is, how many sides does it have? How many sides does it have? Four sides. How many sides? B part is, how many pairs of parallel lines does it have? How many pairs of parallel lines, students? You can see AD and BC is one pair of parallel lines, and ABDC is another pair of parallel lines. So there are two pairs of parallel lines. How many pair of its sides are equal? How many pair of its sides are equal, students? Two pair of its sides are equal. As you can see, This side and this side is equal, and this side is equal. So two pair of its sides are equal. Which sides are equal? And now you have to show either that the sides which are equal, AB, you can see AD is equals to BC and DC is equals to BC. These are the sides equal to each other. Here is textbook page 255 students. Question number 2, MNOP is a rhombus. You can see all the sides are equal. So we will consider this figure to be the rhombus. How many sides does it have? Again, 4 sides. How many sides of parallel lines does it have? How many parallel lines? Pair of parallel lines? Two pair. This is MP and NO is one of the pair, and MNPO is an other pair. So two pair of parallel lines are there. How many sides are equal? How many sides are equal, students? All the 4 sides are equal in rhombus. So please write here 4 sides are equal. Which sides are parallel? Now you have to show which sides are parallel. You can see PM is parallel to ON and MN is parallel to PO. Here is textbook page 256 students. Question number 4. Study the figure, copy and complete the following table. Identify the figure as a parallelogram, rhombus or trapezium. Here is the property, students. You have to figure out which figure will lie in this property. Opposite sides are parallel and all the sides are equal. Opposite sides are parallel, students, and all the sides are equal. Which figure will lie in this property? Yes, you are right. Rhombus will lie in this property. Which figure? D figure. And name of the figure rhombus will lie in this property. The B part is opposite sides are parallel and equal. Opposite sides are parallel and equal. Which figure will lie in this? Yes, you are right. Parallelogram will lie in this property, because A part, you can see A part is of parallelogram, and another one is E part is about the parallelogram, and F is also about the parallelogram. So parallelogram will lie in this second property. What is the third property, students? Only one pair of opposite sides are parallel. With which figure they are talking about? They are talking about trapezium now. B and C indicate are the figures about trapezium. So B and C, which figures? B and C, and name of the figures trapezium. Here is your homework, students. Please note it down. Thank you.